2010 Chevy Camaro with a built motor. Got long tube headers there and there. Then got high flow cats there and there. And what we got done on it is we straight piped it 3-inch all the way back. It had some had a MagnaFlow in the middle. We took it off right there. And then out the back it had hush power. We took them out, put 3-inch pipe in their place into massive 5-inch tips to let it really resonate and it really sound good once it's done. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the 5-inch tips there and there. They fit in there perfectly. That's how they all should come. And that's the mid muffler delete or resonator or whatever, or that MagnaFlow delete. So it's basically true dual straight pipe all the way back. And he's getting a Whipple supercharger next week put on. So once he gets that done, hopefully he'll bring it back. We'll do another video. That's how they all need to sound. Perfect? Yeah. Don't forget your box. We'll leave the box for you. Just pick it all up tomorrow. Okay. Appreciate it, sir. Get on it. Show us what it's got. Beast mode! You can still hear it.